Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, it's not an adventure like going out and doing something, but it's going and eating something. I've gotten the adult Happy Meal, limited time, that is at McDonald's, also known as the Cactus plant box meal, I believe, or something like that. Anyway, and so we're going to have an unboxing here of the limited adult Happy Meal from McDonald's. Alright, here's the box. You choose your meal, 10-piece chicken nuggets or Big Mac. I've got the Big Mac. There's what the side of the box looks like. We'd love to see you smile. Cactus plant flea market box, that's what it is. There are 4 figures inside. Possible 4 figures you could get. There's 1 inside. Alright, so let's open this buddy up and see what's inside. First of all, I've got the medium fries. And the Big Mac here. Big Mac. Big Mac. And they're not letting you see what's inside here exactly, because this is a sealed, non-see-through bag, unlike with the kids' toys. See what it is. Oh, we've got Grimace. We've got the Grimace toy. Ooh, it's kind of windy. There you have it. The Cactus plant flea market unboxing, aka the adult Happy Meal from McDonald's with the Grimace toy. This has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.
Make sure you subscribe to Adventures in TV Land.